class 1, welcome back to your abacus class. Discuss half yearly syllabus. So things what is to be remembered are and to be noted are question paper is of 50 marks. You have to write the correct answer and the question number properly in the answer paper. Objective type questions are there. Objective type questions. So you will have objective based questions where you have to just find out the correct answer and give the correct question number and write down. It's a multiple choice question paper. So there can be 3 options, 4 options. You have to select and choose the correct answer. So keep in mind you have got 50 marks paper. Do solve the paper, only write the answers with correct question numbers. Do find the answers in the multiple choice part, okay? And do write the correct answer. Now, which type of paper you are going to get, that also I will discuss with you. Patterns we have to follow, and what we have learned are using abacus scale you have to solve the paper, finger gem and visualization. It will be mentioned in the question itself. So use the pattern as per the questions given to you. Do not do it directly. Always solve the paper with the help of scale or finger gem or visualization. So whatever is the heading given to you, do solve it in that way. Next, fill in the blanks based on level 1. You are in level 1. So, whatever fill in the blanks we have learned till date, whatever I have uploaded in the form of video, worksheet and in Telegram, please go through all the questions that are there and do learn them, write the correct answers. Clear? Now, what is to be remembered or what you are going to keep in your mind while solving the paper? In finger gem, always add with index finger. Debangshu, you have asked in one of the videos. So, in finger gem, when you make a fist and you start calculating, you always start calculating with the help of your index finger. Okay? So, this is the correct answer. Whenever you start adding and calculating in finger gem, you start with index finger. Now in finger gem, always start subtraction from little finger. Next, place the abacus scale on a flat surface. Abacus scale is of rectangle shape. In this level you are doing level 1, so it is of ones place. So from 0 to 9, is your calculation. So you have to calculate based on 0 to 9. That can be addition or subtraction. Next, value of fist is what? 0. Value of clear abacus is 0. Now for solving any sum, beads should touch the answer line. There is a middle line where the dots are there, which is called white dot, unit dot, right? So it should touch the answer line. Beads should touch the answer line. Okay? And 0 in finger gem, when you do fist means 0, and in clear abacus it is 0. Lower bead is also known as earth bead. Upper bead is known as heaven bead. So if upper bead is asked to you another name, it is heaven bead, or just the opposite. Heaven bead is also known as upper bead, and earth bead is also known as lower bead. Next, now I will show you with example the pattern, the way you are going to solve the paper. Okay, let's go for it. So now see the first question. 8 minus 2 plus 3 minus 6. 4 options are there. First is 8. Then you have got minus 2. Mark it well. Then you have got plus 3. Right? You have got plus 3. And then you have got minus 6. So if the scale is like this, you start from your ones place. First you take 8. Done. Butterfly number. Direct. Then you have to subtract 2. So reduce 2 with your index finger. What do you get? You get 6. Right? Now after getting 6, you have to add 3 here. Possible direct. So add 3. Then you get here what? 9. Now with this, you have to subtract 6. So what do you get? 3 you get. Right? Now we will find the answer. See? A. Number A. Answer is 3. Rest all the answers are incorrect. So how you are going to write this in your answer paper? You will write number 1 A. Number 1 A. That is your correct answer. In this way, children, you will solve your paper. So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.